This is video number 12 where I'm going to talk about pros and cons of network structure and cloud system for mobile apps, WAN network, and basic network structure for cost, communication, and reliability. So, cloud system for mobile apps. More businesses are moving legacy apps to the cloud than ever before, but app developers face a unique set of circumstances. If you're hosting your app locally, your problem doesn't end with the app that may not be able to handle the load. Can your server take care of it? Can you afford to pay for massive amount of capacity? These and other issues are the one primary driver behind more developers turning to the cloud hosting for their apps. So what are the advantages? So that is unilateral data sync between different users, allow the freedom and flexibility of using as data communication platform, crashing cost, reducing the cost, redundancy across multiple data centers, readily availability of data to the users, ability to scale diagonally based on server load, increase IT effectiveness, and save time otherwise spent on tracking and upgrading underlying server software. Besides this, no more IT issues, increased security, improved teamwork, disaster ready, cost effective support, significant traffic growth and spikes, functionality, scaling, higher adoption rates, and reliability are the benefits of cloud hosting. So what are the limitations of hosting? So low bandwidth mobile cloud use radio waves which are limited as a corporate compared to the wide network. Security and privacy remain privacy is a major challenging issue in mobile cloud computing. It is harder to maintain threats on mobile devices as compared to the desktop devices because in a wireless network there are more chances of absence of information from the network. Service availability, alteration of network, mobile cloud computing um, is used in different operating system driven platform like Android, Apple, iOS, and Windows Phone. So it has to be compatible with different platforms. The performance of different mobile platform network is managed by IRNA. Limited energy source. Mobile devices are generally less powerful and consume more energy. Mobile cloud computing increases battery usage of mobile devices, which become an important issue. Devices should have a long life battery to access applications and other operations. So when the size of alter code is small, the offloading consumes more energy than local processing. Some organizations try to find ways to overcome this problem. Now the second point is pros and cons of using wide area network, that is WAN, that includes limited bandwidth areas. So the latest development in this area is software-defined WAN technology, a specific application of software-defined networking applied to the wide area network connections. The virtualized server and storage structure of the modern data center is an example of software-defined networking. With SD-WAN, more of the network's control are moved to the cloud using software. That lowers the cost, reduces complexity, and increases flexibility. Plus, WANs provide better security, I mean. What are the advantages? So that centralizes IT structure. Many consider this WAN's top advantage. Boost your privacy. Setting up WAN allows you to share sensitive data with all your sites without having to send information over the internet. Increases bandwidth. WANs also generally offer unlimited monthly data transfer limits, so you can use these links as much as you like without boosting cost. Eliminates need for ISDN. WANs can cut down cost by eliminating the need to rent expensive ISDN circuits for phone calls. Instead, you can have your own WAN carry them. Guaranteed uptime. So many WAN providers offer business class support, which means you get a specific amount of uptime monthly, quarterly, or any time of the year. They may also offer you round the clock support. Guarantee uptime is a big plus no matter what your industry is. So let's face it, no company can afford to be down for any length of time in today's business environment given the demands of modern customers. WAN cuts cost and increase profit. So in addition to eliminating needs of ISDN, WANs can also help you to cut the cost and increase profit with a wide variety of other ways. For example, WANs eliminate or significantly reduce the cost of gathering teams from different offices in one location. Um, your marketing team in the United States can work closely with your manufacturing team with Germany or anywhere in the world. Saving on travel cost alone could make investing WAN a viable option for you. Um, So what are the limitations? While WANs provide numerous advantages, they have their share of disadvantage as well. As with any technology, you need to be aware of these downsides to make an informed decision about WANs. The three most critical downsides are high setup cost, security concern, maintenance issues. Other maintenance concerns include link quality and performance degradation, on-demand throughput, load balancing for the data center, bandwidth management, scalability, and data center consolidation and visualizations. WANs are powerful business tools. They boost an organization communication, competitiveness, and even profitability. But WANs also have their downside too, including internet security concerns and maintenance challenges. So now, third topic, the last topic of this video, which is evaluate network structure for basic cost, communication cost, and reliability. Sites in the system can be physically connected in a variety of ways, but they face issues like basic cost of linking various sites in the system, communication cost, time it takes to send information from one to the other, reliability. If link or the site in the system fails, can the remaining sites still communicate with each other? So this is a very this lists all the types of network structure. Um, this is bus topology, ring topology, star. They all are network structure. Extended star topology, hierarchical topology, mesh topology. So this bus structure topology, they're easy to install, simply expandable, short cable lengths. But on the other side, they have net expansion limits, bi-cable interrupt the net precipitates complicated access methods. This ring structure, they are large net expansion. But on the downside, complex error tracing, high wiring expenditure when disturbance net failure. Star, they are simple cross-linking, simple extension, high reliability. Downside is that high wiring expenditure, net failure in case of failure or overloading of the hubs. Mesh, this is simple and most fault tolerant. But the downside is that reconfiguration extremely difficult, extremely expensive, and very complex system. This is hierarchical topology that links are formed in a tree structure cheaper than partially connected, slower. Children of failed components cannot communicate. And this is extended stars, link individual star wire network segments together, uses hubs or switches. This topology can extend the scope and coverage of the network. And that's all for video number 12. Again, please do let me know in case if there is anything I'm missing. I can always add that for my future purposes. And thank you for watching.